Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install and set up VirtualBox on Windows 10 or 11. If you have Windows 11, you can go to Start, type cmd and write winget install Oracle VirtualBox like this, and it will install VirtualBox. So I cancelled it because I'm going to show you how to install it on Windows 10 or older. You go to the browser, write VirtualBox, then we go to the official site virtualbox.org and download VirtualBox 6.1 to Windows hosts or what host you have. And then we need also the extension pack. I have already downloaded it, so I don't need it. So now if you used winget, you will have VirtualBox already installed. If you have Windows 10 or older, we will need to install it. Next, then here we select entire feature will be installed on local drive for all the support things. Here just click next. Proceed with install, yes, install. Now we have VirtualBox installed. Finish. So now that we have VirtualBox installed and started, you will need to install the extension pack. Double click it. You will need to accept the user thing. You accept it and install it. Now that we have VirtualBox installed, we will need the ISO file if you want. So for now Windows 11 doesn't work, so Windows 10 for now only, but in the next video I think I will show how to use Windows 11 on virtual machines. Windows 11, you just go to Google, type Windows 11 ISO, and you just download it from the Microsoft site. Here select download, Windows 11 download, select the language, English, and configure. And then you will have the download link. Or if you want Windows 10 ISO, I recommend to use the official Microsoft site. Of course there is other versions, but the original. Download installation media. If you use your phone, it will give you directly the link to the ISO, but with the PC you will need to download the tool. I already have it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use the tool. I'm not going to create the ISO because I already have it, but a little bit to show you what to do. So you wait to the program to start. Okay, you accept the thing. Okay, now you select the create installation media, next, whatever language you want, the Windows version, and if you want 32 bits, you have the option. It's only the 64-bit version. Okay, now we select ISO file. I'll show you how to use the USB flash drive later. So now if I click save, it will download this. I don't need it because I already have it. So I close it and we can start setting up our build VirtualBox machine. We start VirtualBox, new, then we type, I will type just Windows 11. So as I said before, I was expecting to Windows 11 to work, but it doesn't work on virtual machines, and you will see now why. What happens if you try to install Windows 11. So you can select Windows 10 or 11. There's no difference. Better select Windows 10 if you install Windows 10. And it will select already automatically the Windows version. Next, the RAM. Better, the more the better, but don't give all the RAM because your computer will lag and the virtual machine too. So half is good. You will see how it performs and then you can change it. We need to create a hard disk. So create VDI. So if you want to use it for the VirtualBox only, you can select this. The virtual hard disk is to use it in Windows 2, and BMDK I think is like more universal or something, virtual machine disk. So I will use VDI. Next, dynamically allocated. It won't use all the size of the disk at the time, so if you use fixed, it will use all the memory that we will select on the next string, and dynamically will like fill the space with time. So I select dynamically. Okay, now I think with 80 gigabytes for a virtual machine we have enough. Create. So now we go to here. You can change the name already. It won't change the configuration. Let's try Ubuntu. Yeah, it won't change the configuration. So in advanced you can turn on shared clipboard and drag and drop. So you will, as it says, you will able to move files directly from your machine to the virtual machine, and the clipboard will be the same on the virtual machine and your machine too. Then in system we already have the configured RAM. Processor, I better give the half, and because if you give max it will lag. The half is the best. 128 megabytes of display memory for now, but later we will install the VirtualBox tools and we being able to use the 3D acceleration. For now we don't enable it. Storage, we don't touch. Yeah, so now in storage we can put already the ISO file. So now I'll show you on double speed what happens if you try Windows 11, just normal disk like ISO without modification. We'll use the N version because it's for a virtual machine. This PC can't run. So I forgot that VirtualBox can't use Windows 11 because it's VirtualBox. VMware can use Windows 11, VirtualBox no. So yeah. So for now I will use the Windows 10 ISO. We add the Windows 10 ISO, and in the future I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 directly using a flash drive. We start our VirtualBox, pressing key, next install I don't have a product key. Windows 10 Pro N. So when I was installing Windows 11, I explained why Windows 10 N Pro N, because N version doesn't have some Windows default apps. You can install them later, but if you wanna clean Windows, you better select the N version. I set the license terms, custom, and next, because we don't have a Windows installed to update it. It's the first option, that's why I used custom. Now we need to wait to win. Yeah, we click first on devices on the toolbox window, optical drives, and we remove the disk from the virtual machine. Now we wait Windows to set up. Okay, let's start. United States. If you need a layout, skip. Okay, for personal use, I will select personal use if you want to use this virtual machine. For the organization, you can select the organization. I will select offline account because I don't want limited experience. Yeah, because the offline account is so bad that you will have very limited experience. Yeah, you won't have Microsoft OneDrive or whole limited. So we set up the name of the user and the password. We accept that we sold our soul to Microsoft. We skip this. No, I don't want help from Cortana. Just a moment. Hey, almost there. Okay, now we have finally our Windows 10 machine. Now we go to Explorer, this PC, and using our VirtualBox window, we go to Devices, Insert Guest Addition CD Image. Now we have the guest additions. Double click, yes, next, 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 wait. Now, okay, now we have the driver I think it didn't install on the first time. So let's try again. Sometimes it takes two uh, times to set up correctly. Oh, now, okay, now we have the screen resolution right. So, we finished our setup. This is all. You can, I showed you how to change the configuration if you want. I think on the next video I will show you how to install Windows 11 already, not Windows 10. Okay, I will send this to Windows 10, so you can always change the... I think so. To use the virtual machine on your network, you will need a bridged adapter. If you want just normal network without the network functions, you will have with not enough. Yeah, so it now, yeah, it's detecting my local network. So with bridged network you will have like access to your devices between the network, and with NAT you will only have local like access to internet. This is the difference. So yeah, I think we are finished for now. In the next video we'll try to install Windows 11 already. And thanks for watching. See you on the next video.